Hello garden friends, I'm doing just a quick little vlog today. I'm about to go into the plant store in the garden center, and so I thought my audience would probably love this. I'm gonna take them along with me really quick. My goal today is to get some flowers. I might be going a little crazy here, a little all out, but I'm having a garden party with some of my friends, and the space is a little dead right now because there's just not a lot like blooming. There's not a lot going on, and so I want to cheat. I want to buy some flowers that they have in the garden center that are probably already blooming and like already established, and I just want to like plant them out and cheat and get ahead. I want some flowers in the space, I want some color, and I just want it to look nice for my garden party. I've never had a garden party before, but this year I said I want all my friends to come over. I want to have like a tea party, Bridgerton-esque gathering. So that's what I'm doing, and I want it to be amazing. So going in the garden center, I am at Pike's Nurseries. This is a chain nursery, but I think that they're only found like in the southeast maybe. It's just the closest one to me, and they typically do have a large variety of flowers and everything. I might even pick up some peppers or tomatoes while I'm in there. I don't know. Even though I just started all of my seeds for peppers and tomatoes, I do typically buy some transplants too. If I'm in the garden center, it's really hard to stop me from picking up things that I'm like, ooh, this sounds interesting, or this is a new variety I've never heard of before, or something. I don't know, we'll see. I feel like I never have any trouble picking out things from Pikes. So come along with me, although I really hate filming in public. Let's see how courageous I can be. I'm fine. This is my job. I'm a content creator, and if people see me doing it, I'll never see these people again. Unless they follow me. I don't know. It's so awkward filming in public because, I don't know, people watch you and they're like, you never know. Some people hate content creators. Some people love it. Some people are like, oh, like, why is she filming out in public? I don't know. Public perception is just... It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Let's go. We're gonna go. We're gonna have a fun time. It's gonna be great. We're gonna find a lot of things. This place is like the bougiest garden center that I've ever been to. Like, very bougie. Definitely gonna need one of these. Like, you see what I mean? Look at these dahlias that are already blooming. These are dahlias. I want to cheat. I want a head start. Ooh, look at these. Oh yes, these are beautiful. I think I definitely have to get some of these. But here is a little piece of advice. Don't buy the ones that are already blooming. Buy ones like this that are about to bloom. I think this little yellow flower is really pretty. This Bidens. I've actually never even heard of this flower. I thought that it was Coreopsis, but I think I'm gonna get this one. These snapdragon arrangements are really beautiful. I think they're on sale. I don't know, it's still kind of expensive, but oh my gosh, they're really pretty. Okay, I love this snapdragon. So I found the same one, but it's not quite blooming yet, so I'm gonna grab this one. I love snapdragons so much. Look at this, they already have straw flowers. Oh my gosh, if you guys watch my planting video, you know that I just planted straw flowers, like seeds, because I really want to grow them this year, and I'm so tempted to just buy one right now. I'm just so tempted by like cheating. Look at this yellow one. That is really pretty. I don't know, should I? I literally just planted like 4 of these. I think I'm gonna do it. No one's stopping me. No one's stopping me. Okay, it's done. Look at this. There are more dahlias over here. Look at how beautiful this is. I am about to drop $500. I feel like I need it. I don't know. There's also this purple one. What is the one that I just got? What color? I don't even know. Okay, I got a pink one. Oh my gosh, so if I get this yellow-orange one, should I? I don't know, guys. What do I do? I seriously need a babysitter, like a financial babysitter, when I come to garden centers. And then there's this one that's like this butter yellow with pink. Are you kidding me? Oh, okay, there goes my cart. Okay, I think I've decided that I'm gonna get this one because look at how like shrubby it is, and the flowers are tiny and they're very cute, and I'm obsessed with the butter yellow. This one has a lot of buds on it that haven't bloomed yet, so I think I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, I just saw this orange coneflower from across the way and I was like, that is beautiful. I have to get one of these. I'm gonna grab one that's not blooming yet. This flower is so cute. Looks like a little alien. Wow, I've never even seen this before. Centuria? That's cool. I kind of want it. I don't know. The flowers are kind of sparse though. I don't know. This lupine is so beautiful. I don't have any of this in my garden and I really need the cottagecore stuff like lupine, foxglove, delphinium. This is beautiful. Look at that. Okay guys, I'm blacking out. I am blacking out. I'm gonna do a potted container plant with the delphinium and the lupine. Oh my god, there's a ton of marigolds, but I have planted plenty of marigolds. But it's like I kind of want to get some so that I can go ahead and plant them. I think I'm gonna get just one of these 4-packs. I want to buy these poppies, but I have honestly never had good luck with poppies, so I'm gonna pass. I do need to fill out my herb pyramid, so I'm gonna get some oregano. We are gonna get some English thyme, also some Greek oregano. They've got dill. That's actually multiple plants in there as well, and some parsley. I haven't even gotten to the veggies yet. Oh my god. They already have all of their veggies out and they are pretty good size, and it's definitely too early to plant them out, but I could keep them in my greenhouse. So I need to peruse. I need to see. We've got some burpee plants here, and I see this jalapeno gigante number 2. That intrigues me. I love my giant jalapenos, and this looks like a hybrid. I'm gonna get it. See if it's better than Megatron. They have Tabasco pepper, which is something I didn't have seeds for, so absolutely gonna get that one. Okay, this one's interesting. Hot red cherry. Don't think I've ever grown one like that before, but look at these. They're already flowering, which is not great. I would ideally look for one that's not flowering yet, but actually I think I'm gonna skip that. I'm definitely more interested in the peppers than the tomatoes because I have too many tomatoes that I planted. But it's a little too early for squash. I'm very surprised to see that because way too early for squash. I wouldn't even like put that in my greenhouse right now. And cucumbers as well, unless maybe I could plant in the greenhouse. Like a grow bag. Oh my god, I'm so tempted. Especially this cucumber. Burpee hybrid. Wow, burpee. Never seen burpee and pikes before. No, Megan, no. You have enough. You have enough at home. Wow, look at this. Look at this. These tomatoes already fruiting, already flowering, already huge and beautiful. Tempting. So tempting to get one, put it in the greenhouse in a grow bag, and have tomatoes before everyone else, and then brag about it. So tempting. I'm not gonna do it. Also very tempted to buy one of these peonies because I have struggled growing peonies. I planted them and they just didn't come up. And these look like they're gonna be beautiful. Look at this bud already happening, but I feel like they're gonna be astronomically expensive. Where's the price? Oh yeah, $130. Whoa. I don't know about that. But like, look at this one. That's so cool. I do love that one. If you can't tell, I do definitely have a favorite color palette, and it's yellow, pink, orange, pink. I can't right now. Maybe I'll come back for you. Okay, I think I'm done. I'm not even gonna go into the houseplant section because I've already spent way too much money. One last stop is the seed wall. They have an entire wall of botanical interest seeds, but I don't think I need any. But look at these dahlias. I really want to grow some dinner plate dahlias as well. This one looks really pretty, and I don't really have anything purple. Okay, this is the last thing. I have to be done now. I have to be. Okay, the goods have been secured. I'm so excited. Even though I did black out and spent like $200 on plants, but you know, it's fine. It's a write-off for me, thankfully. Okay, I feel happy with the plants that I got. I I did spend $200, which is kind of crazy to be spending on plants, but I blacked out and I was like, I have to have everything. It was very awkward to film in there. I tried my best. I feel like it's less awkward when there's like more people, if that makes sense. There was no one in there but the workers, and all the workers were out in the greenhouse, and so it was so quiet, and I feel like they could hear me talking. And whatever, it's fine. I got my plants, that's all that matters, and I cannot wait to plant all the flowers. I'll show you guys what I do with them, and I'm excited about the couple of pepper plants that I got. And then I forgot to film this, but I did pick up 2 strawberry plants. They were like a rose variety, so the flowers are pink. I do have other strawberry plants that are growing in the ground that I'm just gonna rip out and use those, but I just wanted to see what that variety was like, so I picked up 2 of those. I feel like I definitely got enough flowers to plant in all of my empty containers and set around the patio and make it beautiful. So I'll keep you guys updated on that. Now I'm gonna pick up some shawarma because I'm right beside of this like Middle Eastern, I think it's Lebanese actually, restaurant. They have this dish, it's hummus, right? And then it has shawarma on top of it. And then you can get like falafel to dip in it, or pita. It's technically an appetizer, but I like it as a meal because I love hummus, I love shawarma, I love falafel. So I'm about to go and pick that up for dinner, get all of my plants in the greenhouse, and call it a night. Thank you guys for coming along with me. Hopefully you enjoyed this little shopping vlog. If you did, I'll try to make more like it when I go shopping because I want to go to my other favorite garden center, and this one is a local family-owned garden center. That's why I didn't buy too many of the vegetables here, because I really want to go to my favorite, but they're like an hour away from me. I hate that they're an hour away from me. I used to live right near them, but then when we moved, I'm like an hour away now. So I'll definitely do a vlog when I go to them, because I load up. You guys probably think I loaded up this trip. When I go to them, it's called Brawley Garden Center. They're in Mooresville, North Carolina. When I go visit them, I load up so much because their prices are so much better. But I just got some things that I don't typically see at Brawley. And again, my goal is the garden party. I don't have time to go and visit Brawley before the garden party, unfortunately. So this was kind of like an emergency pit stop. But thanks for coming along with me. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe to see more videos like it. You can find me on all the things. I'm on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Substack. Make sure to listen to the Garden Girls podcast. We put out new videos every single week, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.